Men are also sensitive and
They're just small pookie bears, I guess.
and we like to cuddle.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Love in the City. You're back in the streets. Single people, I have questions for you. A lot of questions. But you know who will give me the answers? Men. So you want a woman who has a
Yeah.
brain of her own.
Yeah, please.
Please. Red flags in a woman.
Controlling.
South Delhi girls.
What's wrong with them?
Materialistic.
Anyone who's 21 is more brain rot than anything. That's why I find older girls more attractive.
They love to mansplain, and I kind of like being mansplained too. So let's go. What's the first thing that you notice in a woman?
How she stands and how she puts up herself.
And eyes.
What kind of eyes do you like?
Kind ones.
Oh,
Eyes.
what is it about the eyes?
Eyes, Chico, they never lie.
It's not more about the looks, it's more about how she can react to my conversations.
What do you notice in a woman?
Her face.
Her confidence. The way she's walking in, her personality and everything.
Have you ever been in love?
I don't know.
But you've been in relationship,
Yeah.
but you've not been in love.
Yeah. Or maybe I've been in love with someone else in a relationship with someone else. That can also be possible.
Oh, I'm so happy I'm not single. I wouldn't survive. Why are you single?
I got dumped, I guess.
Oh my god!
I'm too much focused on my business. I haven't been out there a lot. I was
Okay.
in a long relationship, just got out of it. So just starting to look again.
Yeah.
Why do you think it did not work?
I mean, she was 28, I'm 21, so when you're going to uni and she's trying to find a job, it doesn't work out like that. So
It's cute. I could tell why he was single, but he was cute. What's something women would be surprised to know about men?
they're just small pookie bears, I guess.
That we're softies inside. And we like to cuddle.
They also need someone to do some nice gestures for them.
They need more comfort, attention, care.
They show they don't require attention, but they do require attention.
Aww.
Men are also sensitive and they could also do with a hug.
Oh my god.
yeah.
Men want hugs.
Yeah.
Guys. One thing that women should know about men.
There we also have a sixth sense.
Oh, what's your sixth sense?
There are sayings that women get to know that you like them or they're
Intuition.
very smart, that even if you're seeing someone else, they'll get to know. Men are also not that dumb. They also clearly can identify all the signals. They're not as dumb as you think. That's what I believe.
Men are not as dumb as you think. Does a woman's body count matter?
Like if she's moved on from her past, then it does not. Otherwise, it does.
It doesn't matter. I mean, it's good if it's high, I guess. You can tell her what you want and she can do it, then it's all a win, right? And she
Yeah.
knows what she wants, so you're not guessing all the time.
So how are you dealing with heartbreak?
I keep myself busy. Play football, work, go home and sleep. I sulked for a while, drank, and then I got out of it.
Sorry, ladies,
One
this
of
is
the
the most
best.
eligible bachelor in all of Gurgaon.
Thank you.
Right here. Please continue.
I'm just working on myself, actually. I'm a producer, music producer, so I'm trying to just
Oh, wow.
make my own music. Made a song about her, so I mean, that's how you process emotions as an artist, right?
It's a good memory, I guess.
It's more difficult for men in the dating space or women?
Men have the challenge of finding girls who actually are interested in them and not just trying to have fun.
Names of girls that are the biggest red flags.
Anushka.
Anushka. Or Virat Kohli. Like,
Soumya.
so I'm Soumya. I'm Soumya. I'm a red flag, guys. You should watch her. Okay, what do you think is the biggest challenge in dating for men?
Right now, I believe in Gurgaon, it's like finding one who only talks to one guy at a time.
Finding a person who has brains, I guess. Because I feel like my generation girls are mostly anyone who's 21 is more brain rot than anything. That's why I find older girls more attractive.
You say your type is older women.
Exactly. Yeah.
Nowadays, everybody wants to set up a front which is more desirable for the people, and that's not their actual self.
People have a lot of non-negotiables now. You know,
Yeah.
we've reached a point where I myself have a lot of non-negotiables. So it's very hard to find a match. These days, people don't have a lot of good platforms where they can meet quality women.
The era we are living in, the social circle is very small. If you're working in office or something, you're not meeting much people. And if you're
Yeah.
not meeting people, how will you find somebody?
Are you looking for something serious?
Not at the moment, no.
Why?
Because I've been heartbroken in the past. So
No, I'm looking for something serious.
Kashish, focus on the cute couple behind us. Cute uncle, auntie. ऐसे ही प्यार आपको चाहिए.
I guess.
ऐसे ही चाहिए. ऐसे ही
ज़्यादा
चाहिए.
hopeful नहीं होता मैं.
What are the qualities in a woman that would make her the ideal woman for you?
She should be intelligent, smart, tall.
I'm out of the league. 5'3" doesn't work apparently.
थोड़ा सा IQ अच्छा हो.
Oh.
If they don't agree with something, they just don't say yes. But
Okay. So you want a woman who has a
Yeah.
brain of her own.
yeah, please.
Please?
Yeah, no.
You think women don't have brain of their own?
No, I feel like they're
Okay.
just too nice sometimes.
Not short-tempered and who's funny.
Someone who challenges me actually.
So
Yeah.
you want her to challenge you. Maybe like,
Yeah,
hey,
and-
I want to go on a date, but to Dubai, can you get tickets? That kind?
Maybe.
They should understand me as a person because I'm not a very easy person to stay with.
Why do you think you're not easy to be with?
Because I stay away from the whole concept of relationships as a whole.
Oh my god, guys. The dating world is so harsh out there. I don't know how you guys do it. Especially for men, it's so tiring. Like, kudos to you for hanging in there. Hang in there, you find somebody. But until then, keep coming back. If you like this video, share it with your friend. Hit the subscribe button. Tell us in the comments what else would you want us to ask single men. And till then, bye-bye.